right, I'm here with Kenzie from InnerSea Yoga Academy, recent graduate. Thanks so much for joining.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So why did you choose InnerSea?
I chose InnerSea because I wanted to deepen my practice in yoga, and I also wanted a sense of learning about myself because I wanted to become more involved in the healing career. And not only that, but I wanted to learn how to bring nature into it. And so I felt like when I was looking at your website online, there was a lot of balance within nature immersion, yoga, learning about yourself, and like the community around. And so that's like what really drew me, it was like a little bit of everything.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And now that you've done the course, what was your favorite thing about the curriculum itself?
Philosophy for sure. I feel like that took me to a whole other level of understanding of the yoga world and the spirituality behind it. And also I love that I just loved everything. Honestly, like I can't just pick one. It was just so well-rounded, and I love bits and pieces of each of it. So I loved going on the deck in the morning, and I loved sweeping because it gave us time to go and enjoy like just being in nature and like having a moment to ourselves. And then we got to do yoga, which was beautiful, and then getting to go and do philosophy and learn about yoga and having deeper knowledge in the anatomy and the teacher methodology, and like it just so everything. And the one-on-one time helping us with our flows, I feel like it really made us feel more confident in building a flow and doing it piece by piece. Kind of helped bring it all in like one circle.
You had mentioned the community. Can you speak a little bit about that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, here, I mean, you meet Saski, the cook. You meet Julio. This is his property with Mari, his wife, and you meet them, and they want to teach you about Costa Rica's culture. They want to teach you about the jungle. They want to get you involved with it and going and doing other things with the locals, like going to Miguelo's farm and him teaching us about how these plants, like they harvest them themselves and they grow them themselves. And I just think it's so different from the Western culture, and you gain like a deeper appreciation. And even just going down the street and people like just saying buenos dias or hello, like it's amazing.
Awesome. If you were talking to someone who was on the fence about joining this course, what would you tell them?
Just do it. It's, like I said, it's so well-rounded. You get a little bit of everything. We also have amazing teachers that want to teach you and love to teach you, and they love what they do, and you can feel it, and they want to help you, and they just want to see you succeed. And that is so important to me when it comes to a teacher. And I think that it's just everything, like everything we got to do, the places we went, the people we met, the girls that I got to be here with, like they were even just having just the three of us made it a whole deeper connection, and going through all of it together was amazing. So yeah, and you're in the beautiful jungle, so I don't think it gets much better than all those things.
Cool.
Yeah.
What has shifted for you?
I know myself again. I feel like I've reconnected with who I am, and I think back home it's always go, go, go. And getting to be able to come here and having a slower atmosphere and getting to really dive inward away from all the distractions have really helped me reconnect and learn about who I am. And now I know how to take all these tools that I've learned home and help deepen my practice and learn more about me, while also being able to share it with other people, which is amazing.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.